Hotep Scholars, I'm Professor Horton and this is STEM for 2nd grade. We've been talking all about matter. We said that matter has three states: solid, liquid, and gas. We said that a solid is matter when it has both a size and a shape. Liquid is matter that has a size but no shape. And gas is matter when it has no size or shape. But what about matter that is in two different states at the same time? Matter that can be in two different states at the same time is known as non-Newtonian fluids. And in today's activity, we're going to create our own. Join me in the lab as we learn to create our own non-Newtonian fluids. All right, scholars, for this activity, you will need a mixing bowl, a spoon, cornstarch, a measuring cup, and water. So, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to measure out 1.5 cups of cornstarch. Then we're going to go ahead and pour it into the bowl. And we will mix in 1 cup of water. Then we're going to stir it, and when we stir it up, we're going to make sure that we mix all of the cornstarch. As you stir, you'll notice that the cornstarch will kind of clump up at the bottom. So it's important that you make sure that you get all of the cornstarch off of the bottom of the bowl and continue to stir until you no longer have clumps of cornstarch in your mixture. At this point, you'll notice that our mixture, our matter, is a liquid. Continue to mix, and you'll notice that it will start to thicken up. So our matter will start to become thicker, and you'll be able to pick it up with your hand and squeeze it. And at that point, it would be a solid, but as soon as you let it go, it turns back into a liquid. Remember, matter that is in both a liquid and a solid state at the same time is called a non-Newtonian fluid. And as you can see, when I squeeze it, it's a solid, and as soon as I let it go, it turns back into a liquid. So, I hope you have a lot of fun with this activity. I certainly did. Once again, however, this is something that you need your parents' permission for. You need their permission as well as their assistance. It can get a little messy, but it's a lot of fun. So, as usual, document your progress every step of the way, and take a special note of the state of matter at each step. Once again, when matter is in two states at one time, this is called a non-Newtonian fluid. All right, scholars, that's all I have for you today. Enjoy your experiment, and I'll see you next time.